replaced with the crack, so let's go ahead and delete that. Let's go to our files from tutorial 1, and here's our speed 2. We're going to copy it in there and just save this ISO. I'm going to use the same name, CD2. So here we are, and we have both of them. This one's still being made. Also, another version for an ISO mounter would be Daemon Tools. Daemon Tools is popular, so it's very easy to find the serial or the key generator and download for a trial version of something like that you can then register with the key generator. And for an ISO maker, there's other versions. Magic ISO is the one that I use, but there's plenty of other free versions. It looks like our ISO is done being made. So we're going to go to our mounter, I'm going to unmount that one, which is the original unmodified ISO, and we're going to mount the one that we made. The auto run pops up, hit run. See if the image we modified does show up. Here it is. Here's the image that we created. Go to install and type in all of this. Hopefully they're smart enough to see that there and know that it's the serial. This game is going to go ahead and install. Now that's method 1. The crack is already installed, so once this game's done, which actually I'm just going to cancel it. Once that was done installing, the game will just run automatically. Once again, from tutorial 1, I told you if you're running Vista, this cracked file should be, well, this one in particular doesn't need it, but for other games, you should run in 98 ME compatibility mode. Vista doesn't like playing games, and especially old games. So once it's done mounting, if it does not run in Vista, this one would. Just go to the game folder on your local disk, which is EA Games for Need for Speed. It would be right here underneath Most Wanted. And in there you would find the Speed 2 crack, just like this. Right click it, Properties, Compatibility, Run Program for Compatibility Mode 98 ME. And any game should work in Vista. People complain Vista doesn't work well, but it does if you just change the compatibility mode of the executed file. So now we're going to look at method 2. Method 1 was the image method. Because there was an image next to where you enter the serial, this method works very easily. But if there is no image next to where you enter the serial for the program you're trying to crack, this is the auto run method, which we will make it either start the key generator immediately along with the installation, or make the CD start a text file. I think we'll use the text file strategy. So we're going to need a text file. We're going to call it serial, and in here we're just going to put the serial from part 1, our key generator. Let's just copy key, exit. Go ahead and paste that in there, save. And now, if we look at, let's unmount this, and let's remount both of the original files from part 1, the original ISOs. So this is the unmodified version. Well, it is modified technically because whoever I got it from